Do you remember the smell of the old internet? Not the actual smell of ozone and burning dust, but the feeling it gave off. It felt like humanity. It was chaotic and messy. In 2008, when you argued on a forum, you knew the person typing in all caps was a real human being. But today, the internet feels different. It feels hollow. You scroll through X, Facebook, or Instagram, and it's like walking through an abandoned mall. The lights are on, the music plays, and the mannequins seem to watch you. This isn't just nostalgia, it's the dead internet theory. This theory says that the real internet died around 2016, leaving a zombie behind. A network where bots communicate, creating content for bots to earn ad revenue for algorithms. We are no longer the users, we are the product, and the consumers are machines. For years, many dismissed this as a conspiracy theory from 4chan. But in 2025, the data is clear. According to the latest Imperva Badbot report, nearly 50% of all web traffic is automated. Half the internet is just code talking to code. Nowhere is this more apparent than on Facebook. If you haven't logged in recently, you're missing a bizarre spectacle we call the shrimp Jesus phenomenon. Millions of AI-generated images, grotesque hybrids, plastic children, soldiers crying oil, non-existent log cabins, flood the newsfeed. This is AI slop, content with no human intent. And under these images, thousands of comments read, "Amen, beautiful, God bless." Who is commenting? It isn't your grandma. It's other bots, programmed to boost engagement. This is the dead internet loop. An AI generates slop, an AI likes it, an AI comments on it, and the platform serves ads to the bots. Money changes hands, but no human ever sees the content. Why does Meta allow this? Why turn their platform into a graveyard? This is no accident, it's a strategy. This is the meta play, which relies on the decline of the open web. Human beings are costly. We are slow and face writer's block. We sleep, get offended, and leave the platform. We can't always produce reliable content. For a company like Meta, depending on user-generated content is a bottleneck. They need endless content to keep us scrolling forever. So, they are replacing the users. In late 2023, Meta launched AI personas, celebrity clones, and AI girlfriends. Why? Because an AI friend is the perfect user. They are always online, respond instantly, and never disagree with you. But the dead internet goes deeper than just Facebook. It's about the destruction of truth. To train the next generation of AI models, GPT-6, Llama 5, tech giants need data, specifically human data. But they have already scraped the entire internet. They have read every book, Reddit thread, and tweet. They have run out of human thought. Now, they are training their AI on AI-generated content. It's like a snake eating its own tail. This leads to model collapse. The AI becomes inbred, starts hallucinating, and gets dumber. We are witnessing an ecological disaster of information. Just as we filled the oceans with plastic, we have saturated the internet with AI sludge. And like microplastics, you can't filter it out anymore. This creates the inversion. For 20 years, the internet was humans trying to prove they weren't bots. Now, we have entered an era where bots try to prove they are human. The Turing test has been passed, not through brilliance, but through sheer volume. We are drowning in mediocrity. This changes how we interact with reality. Think about the last time you saw a viral video. Did you check if it was real? Or did you just consume it? In a dead internet, trust is the first casualty. This leads to the next phase of the meta play, paid verification. If the open internet is a swamp of bots, proving you are a real person becomes a luxury. The internet is splitting in two. The free internet will be a wasteland of AI slop, scams, and noise. The paid internet will be a gated community where humans can prove their existence. Authentication is the new oil. In a world where a video call with your mother can be faked in real time, zero trust becomes the standard for society. This creates a deep sense of isolation. If you can't trust the news, the photos, or even the comments section, you stop engaging. You become a ghost in the machine. This brings us to the dark forest theory. Originally a solution to the Fermi paradox, it suggests that the universe is silent because it's dangerous. To speak reveals your location to predators. We see this online. Humans are retreating from public spaces. We are leaving Twitter, Facebook, and Reddit. We are moving into the dark forest. Discord servers, encrypted Signal group chats, Substack newsletters, private communities. We are building walls to keep the bots out. We are hiding to stay human. We are going quiet, lurking in the background. We are afraid to post because we know that anything we share will be scraped, stolen, and used to train the machines that replace us. The public internet is becoming a museum, a graveyard of blogs from 2012, Reddit threads from 2015, and tweets from 2018. These are artifacts from a time when we were naive enough to share ourselves for free. So, what does the future look like? It looks lonely. A place where you must pay a subscription just to prove you have a soul. It resembles solipsism. You sit in a room, staring at a screen that generates what it thinks you want to see, interacting with AI friends who are designed never to leave you. This creates an endless echo chamber, for one. No new ideas, no challenging thoughts, just a warm, comfortable bath of algorithmic sludge meant to keep your dopamine flowing until you die. But there is a way out. The dead internet only stays dead if we accept the simulation. Resistance is possible, but it takes effort. It requires logging off. It requires meeting people face to face. It requires creating art that is messy, imperfect, and human. We must value imperfection. In a world of flawless AI, a typo is a sign of life. A bad drawing is proof of a soul. Awkwardness shows humanity. The internet isn't dying. It's molting. It's shedding its human skin and transforming into something else. A machine infrastructure, a highway for data, not a park for people. So, the next time you feel lonely online, the next time you scroll for an hour and feel nothing, remember, it's not you. You are walking through a ghost town. The question isn't, is the internet dead? The question is, will you stay and haunt it, or will you wake up?